much of a big mouth. I can't. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But please sit. Welcome and sit and relax. I love firsts, and this is the first show. Sorry. I didn't want to start that again, but I'm very, very excited because this is my first show, not only of this show, but my first show with people for 5 years, right? Think about that. For 5 years, I've been on Food Network, national television, talking to vegetables. Those have been my little special friends over the years. I am so excited that we have people here. I'm just beside myself. And it's, how do you like the apartment? How do you like the digs? I'm so happy you said that because I actually went shopping for this stuff. So if you guys are going to start criticizing the furniture, I was going to cry. So yeah, no, I actually brought a lot of stuff from home and I went shopping for stuff. And these seats I haven't really scotch guarded yet, and we eat here every day. So please be careful not to spill. There's that, and I haven't really paid for them yet either. So I'm going to get my first cup of coffee in the kitchen on our very first show. Oh, heads up to you guys. See how you're spinning? That's very cool for the studio audience, gets to spin around the house, you know, because we do a lot of running around here. But at home, they can always see you. We got this spinny camera, goes all around. Hey, why don't you wave to everybody at home? That'll be fun. Hi, America. Woo! Oh, first sit down with the audience at the kitchen table. So first, I remember a lot of my first in life. Do you guys? Yeah. I remember first day of school. I remember the dress I wore. I remember the books I brought with me. I remember my first car, because that wasn't so long ago. I didn't actually learn to drive until I was like 25. I went to take a test once when I was a teenager, but I killed a cat during the test. I know, also a first. But I was very traumatized and I abandoned the car and the poor man. Oh, never mind. But that's why I didn't get around to it until my mid-20s. I definitely remember the first bad perm you ever got? Oh, I'm so glad the 80s ended. Those were very bad hair years for me. And I remember, this is a good one. I remember my first color television. When I was a kid, it's why Richard Nixon, to this day, remains my favorite president. Listen, I know, kind of a surprising choice, but listen. We were the last kids to have a black and white TV. My mom, you know, she's a very practical Sicilian woman. She doesn't throw anything away until it's done, until it dies naturally, right? So we have the last black and white TV, and Nixon comes on, and my mother, at 20 paces, she's 4'11", gets her back up, that's what we call it. She got her back up about Nixon, took her shoe off, big stiletto shoe, and at 20 paces, she one of them shoe throwing mamas, boom! And it hits it at exactly the right angle. Shoe goes into the TV, blows it up, fireworks in the living room, and we finally got color TV!